from our area, right?
Aye.
And this is the community leaders here in the area, okay? So the reason for our visit today is because you guys are asking our people extra money when they buy electricity, airtime, cashback, and when they pay with the SASA card or with the bank card.
Yeah.
So we are here to tell you, my friend, that today it must stop.
Okay.
You are not asking our people extra money anymore. When they buy 20 rand, Mama will come with the 20 rand only. And she will buy power and you will give her power. If you don't stop, we're going to come back and
close.
check if you are doing it, if you comply. If not,
We're going to
must
close the shop.
Okay? Our people is poor here. Right? You can't ask them extra money. Imagine you ask 50 rand for 500 rand. 50 rand, it's money for someone's supper at night. So you can't ask them that. Our people is poor. So no more extra charges. 20 rand electricity is 20 rand.